Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're going to do a big stretch that helps your body feel strong, tall, and confident. If you like stretching and feeling good, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Standing tall with feet hip-width apart, arms lifted overhead, hands together, upper body leaning gently to each side. Switch sides. Stand on one leg. Bend the other leg back and hold your foot or ankle with the hand on the same side. Extend your other arm forward for balance. Open your chest and gently lengthen your body. Alternate between left and right. Sit back as if into a chair. Bring palms together at heart center. Twist torso to one side, keeping knees aligned. Alternate sides, left and right. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Stand up and raise one knee toward your chest. Hug your leg with both hands, keeping your spine straight, your abdomen firm, and your gaze forward. The supporting foot should be strong and stable on the ground. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right.
Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides.
Front leg straight, torso leaning over it. One arm up and one arm down. Chest open. Alternate between left and right.
Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Lying on back, knees bent, feet grounded, hips gently lifted. Lie on your back with the legs extended long and arms stretched overhead like a full body morning stretch. Sit comfortably, take slow, deep breaths. Feel your body long, relaxed, and proud of the stretch you just did. You did an amazing job today. Your body stretched, moved, and showed so much confidence. If you enjoyed this yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.